Hello viewers, today we are in front of our workshop, Classic Car Restorer, Anaskal, Dingle, Ireland. Today we're going to work again with our BMW 4-wheel drive, and the story with this car is the next one. 12 of these cars are produced in Germany, the other half of the 80s. They send them to the United Kingdom, and over there official dealership changed the position of the wheel from the left side to the right side. 2 of them after that were destroyed. After some checks they had some problems with the steering, and we suppose that 10 of them stayed on the road. After 40 years we know that the one is still in the United Kingdom, internet says so, and this one is the second one. So help us to count how many of these cars is still on the road, somewhere in the shed, and help us to answer the question, is this one of the rarest BMWs ever produced?
So I'm back on the E30 325iX. I'm just going to recap what I've done already so far. So on the front end here, part of the chassis has been replaced. All the bulkhead's been done. That was quite rotten, so that's all been done. Even down to inside, where the air goes in there. Even the lip there is rotten. So that's all been replaced. Like everything's back to new. Wings are all done. Everything's good down there. So we've got new wings on the front. And as we come to the inside then, as you can see, we have the new bulkhead, new floor pans, there's new inner and outer sills. There's a lot being done to this car. I still have to replace the tube for the petrol return. I think that's a petrol return or the petrol feed, I'm not sure. Doesn't matter anyway. Still have to replace that. We've new quarter panels on the rear. They're all fitted nicely. Yeah, it's getting there. Like this is going to be a rare car, so spent a lot of time just getting everything perfect. The client wanted everything as it came at the factory, as I said before. Yeah, it's all been done nicely. Everything lines up. It's a lot of work, but it's worth it to save something of this caliber. There's not many around. I don't think there are many. I think there's 1 or 2 left in the world of the right-hand drive ones. So yeah, it's worth saving. It's definitely worth saving. And it will be for sale, hopefully, once it's finished. Yeah, we're getting there. So it'll be resprayed back to the original silver. This is the original silver there. It's a nice metallic. Yeah, so if you're interested in making a purchase once it's done, contact us, and yeah, we'll set you up with the owner. I'll just take you around this side now and have a look. So same this side, rear quarter's being replaced, the inner quarter inside, that's all been renewed. The rear quarter wasn't a pig to fit, but yeah, it wasn't the easiest. As you can see, all the sills are brand spanking new, and as the client wanted, he wanted the gaps exactly the same as they came at the factory. Even though there's a outer sill going on there, like a rubber one, he still wanted all this to be viewed when you open the doors. All the bulkheads been replaced, as I said. Yeah, she's lovely. The gaps are all good all the way around. So we got a nice 4mm gap all the way around. So that's lovely. Everything's lined up. Yeah, it's lovely. It's lovely. It's getting there nicely. And we have the new wing on this side. It's had a bit of welding, but yeah, that's what we have to do to save a car like this. And as you can see here, this is the plate from the factory in the UK, which converted from the left to the right-hand drive. So this is the discerning factor that makes it such a rare car. Well, thanks for watching the videos. Like and subscribe, and give us a like, give us a click, and get that notification bell. Thanks.